Hello, and welcome back to Main Street Digital Academy, where all your instruction is free. Today, we're going to show you a great product you can make with body spritzes, or what some people call body sprays. Now, the body spritzes sprays are fairly easy to make. Do your homework on which body spray base you want to go with. Some are alcohol-based, some are water-based, and some may have many more chemicals than others. Now, you can tell what the base is by looking at the first ingredient. Also, watch out for the recommended amounts of fragrance you can add, as these seem to vary from 3 to 5%. Also, some will need a polysorbate 20 emulsifier, which binds the fragrance to the base. All bases seem to accept a regular liquid dye. I recommend you always start with 1 drop, shake it up, and go from there to see if you need more. Now, I like the alcohol-based sprays for these reasons. Many of the top bath and body brands use alcohol-based body sprays. Supposedly, the fragrance stays on the skin longer. No preservatives are needed. Remains clear with added color and fragrance. No polysorbate 20 needed. Supposedly disperses fragrance on the skin more evenly. And I think these are great selling points. We will need the following items to make our 4-ounce body spray. A 4-ounce bottle. Now, use a clear bottle if you intend to use color in your base. You'll need a fine mist sprayer, 4 ounces of alcohol-based body spray, a fragrance or essential oil of your choosing, coloring of your choosing if you're going to color, 2 droppers or pipettes. On this brand, I can use up to 5% fragrance. I will use 3. If we wanted to figure out what 5% of 4 ounces is, 1 ounce equals 29.57 milliliters. Write that down. Times the 4 ounces that we're using, that equals 118.28 milliliters. So times 0.05, which is 5%, equals 5.914 milliliters. We can call it 6. So 3% would be about 3.5 milliliters of fragrance. Remember, essential oils are stronger than fragrances. Do your homework. When you add the fragrance or essential oil, the spray may cloud for a few minutes, but it will clear. So let's get started. Today, we're going to be making a 4-ounce body spritz. They're fairly easy to make. I have 4 ounces of my base in a 4-ounce bottle with a fine mist sprayer. I have a fragrance. Today, I'm going to be using a Hawaiian Rain. And I have my coloring. I'm going to be putting a blue coloring in. And I have a pipette for the fragrance. I'm going to take the 4 ounces of base, and I'm going to put the coloring in. I always want you to start with 1 drop. Mix it and see if that's what you want. And that's the color I want. Well, with this base, we can use up 5% of fragrance. And with this, with 4 ounces, I'm going to be using 3 milliliters. That's 3 milliliters. Then we're going to mix that. And it may get cloudy at first, but the alcohol within a couple of minutes will make it clear. So that's ready to label. I have my labels ready. And there we have the blue, I have a red, and I have a 2-ounce yellow. And that's how easy it is to make body spritz. also called body sprays. Thank you for watching. I hope we'll see you again next time. Have a good day. Thank you.